In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop App Store asking for password while you downloading applications. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, go to Screen Time. Then tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure it is enabled, and after that get into iTunes and App Store purchases. Here, guys, first off you need to change the setting for require password box. Here we need to choose don't require, just select it like in my case, and then we can go out of settings. And now if you head over to the App Store, and then if you try to download any app, you just need to double click power button to install app without asking for entering a password. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.